Back in the late 1990s, I installed 1,200 watts worth of solar panels consisting of 16 75-watt panels mounted on a single pole, along with a 4,000-watt trace sine wave DC to AC inverter with batteries for a battery backup system to power the inverter in case of power failure. The batteries ended up going bad fairly quickly, most likely due to my lack of proper TLC. I have no one to blame but myself for the failure of the batteries. A couple of years ago, thanks to the help of a friend, I was able to get the inverter running once again in a grid tie configuration, pushing power back into the grid. With the help of the same friend and his son, I'm in the process of adding what will ultimately be a 6,000-watt solar installation that includes 20 large panels. Each panel will have its own 300-watt Chinese-built microinverter. I'm paying the friend to design and construct a ground-mounting system that will have the panels mounted in what will ultimately be about a 60-foot-long line array, with the panels being in a side-by-side configuration facing south. The initial installation of the array will consist of 6 panels and microinverters, adding up to 1,800 watts that will tie directly into the grid. My plan is to add the additional mounts, panels, and inverters in the future as time permits in order to complete the final system. The initial mounting system consists of 3 steel supports driven into the ground. In the video, they are surrounding the base of each support with concrete for additional stability. In future steps, the tops of the supports will be cut off at the appropriate length, and additional welded structure will be added. The microinverters and solar panels will be mounted at an angle. The low end of the panels will be approximately 3 feet off the ground, enabling easy access. The initial 6 panels will be wired together and their output fed directly into the grid. In a future video, I will show the details of the completed 6-panel array.